Here is a review for VLSVLS V Venom Cream. As you can see, this is the physical image. It relieves facial muscles, reduces wrinkles, and boosts skin firmness. It can only give you 3 weeks to firm skin. So this is the before and after of the users. As you can see, it has a often and very evident effect. Now, let's go ahead and see the quantity per price. So, if you avail a one quantity, it only costs 943 pesos. While if you avail two quantity, it will cost you 1,473 pesos, and you can save up to 857 pesos. So, as you can see, it is a fast delivery if you order this on Amazon. So, this is actually a good one for those person who are in a rush. Now let's go to the product details or to the top highlights. So it is a cream and a vanilla scent, and it is for firming, and this is actually good for all skin types. So if you're looking for a very nice cream to moisturize your skin and to firm your skin, this is the right cream for you.